Welcome back. So this is the most amazing part. We just completed the admin panel and we just learned a lot of things in admin, right? After just completing the basics and the mini project, you can now create your own admin panel. We just completed the admin panel section. We just learned how we can set the project, the master layouts, and then we just work on the products page, how we can add products, right? Storing the products, the validation of the products, and we can just see the kind of thumbnail image when we upload a image, right? And we just fetch the products from database and delete them from admin panel, right? And then of course the edit product details, and then we just introduce a new section called orders, which is the most important part. And in this section we can just see the orders and the orders between the relation between the order and user, order and the product, and the fetching the products from database, and of course the orders pending and confirm functionality, which is the most important part of e-commerce, right? And then order, product, and user details, that's also important. And again, this is the module for users, right? The users interacting between inside the admin panel, basically getting all the users in your admin panel, those users that are registered on our site, and the user details. Basically we can just check for example, how many products the user has purchased, so we can just see a user has many products. And finally we just learn how the basics configurations of the dashboard.